Okay, rin pa natin. Meron pa. Ayan.
No, I need pillow pala.
Apil.
Anong pertaining ko?
Or maliit ba ako masyado? Or okay ba?
Anong pertaining ni ko?
Alam mo na
Angelica.
Ay! Ito oh!
Nakalive mo na.
Remember, ha?
Ano bu?
Hindi,
Bu?
Imposible. Importante maganda.
Maganda ka naman, Diyos ko naman.
Draw.
Ayan, may
Hindi
25.
naman ako sinasabihan ng my God.
Yan, 30 viewers na kami dito. Ito.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Tapo pa.
Natuwag sa pilo.
Mabuhay Philippines and Mabuhay Universe. Welcome everyone and all to all the viewers on our live pages for our press people. Good afternoon everyone, and we are now here at the most awaited contract signing and press conference of the MUPH Bulacan. And today, joining us are the MUPH executive officers, starting with the Director for Asia Pacific and Local Search of MUPH, Mr. Arnold Mercado. A big round of applause.
Yeah!
And of course, the Vice President for Global and National Search of MUPH, the beautiful Miss Max.
Yeah!
And finally, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, our press people, we will meet the new local director of MUPH Bulacan, the gorgeous and radiant Miss Angelica Corporal. And we will start the contract signing now.
No, we'll start
The Q&A first.
Introduce na lang.
Introduce.
Bago
Una natin, of course,
Awesome.
can you say something about yourself? Because hindi pa alam ng mga tao. Actually, si Angelica used to be a former beauty queen from your province of Bulacan, right? Okay, so can you tell us more about yourself?
Hi, good afternoon everyone. I'm Angelica Diaz Berberl. I'm 26 years old. Right now, I'm currently working also. I have also my businesses, and as well as I'm also taking my boards because I graduated as electronics and communication engineering po. So I'm quite preoccupied, but I'm very much happy to be here with you and to take this directorship with my full heart. And this is my passion, of course. I'm a former beauty queen in my province, which is Bulacan, and we will continue the legacy of Chelsea Manalo, and we really hope we don't want to bring another Chelsea, but we want to bring someone who could represent and present herself authentically, and someone who could also slay the stage. Thank you so much. That's
In fact, ladies and gentlemen, I thought you were the candidate. Ikaw na yung delegate for the MUPH Bulacan.
last year.
actually,
Yes,
Pwede.
Thank you for the kind words, ma'am. But actually, I think I'm way past through it, and I just wanted to be at the back where I just support and guide another woman who could also reach her dreams. And for me, helping someone reach her dream is a dream come true for me. You know.
Okay, thank you. And by the way, seated beside me is Mark, of course, the creative director of the Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan. So, beautiful ladies and gentlemen lang. You may start your questions or anything that you would like to clarify and ask.
Tito Noli, first
Hi,
question.
hi, I'm Nolly for OPMB Worldwide. Okay, first of all, pwede bang malaman kung ano yung, what are your requirements as far as yung mga prospective candidate for Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan is concerned?
Technically, we will just check the requirements of the Miss Universe, and I think that's it. We wanted to see more of Bulakenyas who could also slay the stage, and we don't find somebody like kailangan Bulacania color or something. Somebody who could represent Bulacan well. It's fine with us.
So, not necessarily nakatira sa Bulacan. Pwedeng may doon pinanganak or may
Of course,
kamag-anak.
definitely we want po sana, sir, to get somebody na nasa roots po ng Bulacan.
Oh,
Of course,
okay.
para at least madala niya yung Bulacan ng mas maayos po.
Okay. So, what for the winner naman, what's in store for the winner? Yung eventual winner ng Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan. Meron na ba?
Meron ba tayong
Do you have
ganong
local
show?
contest ka?
Do you have search? Local search?
Actually po, we were planning to have a pageant po in Bulacan this December to January. So we're still planning for that, and we'll keep you posted po. Of course, we're very much excited then since Chelsea is the reigning queen, and sana makapagpadala kami at makahanap kami ng another Bulacania. Yes.
Speaking of Chelsea, may pressure ba sa part nyo na since Bulacan is medyo maswerte ang Bulacan nung last year when it comes to national pageant?
Definitely po, hindi po talaga nawawala yung pressure because first kasi si Chelsea, at the same time, lahat naman po ng lumalaban na girls are pressured to get the crown. So parang wala naman po pinagbago, a little pressure lang po because she's the reigning queen. But we wanted talaga na i-enjoy niya lang yung stage, just what Chelsea did po. Yun po.
Okay. Miss Angelica, your message to all Bulacanos who's watching right now?
To all Bulacanas, we're very excited to meet you all, and we wanted to see another queen who could also slay the stage of Miss Universe Philippines. So, kita-kita po tayo at mabuhay ang mga Bulacania.
Thank you. Best of luck.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. First, I'd like to congratulate you, Miss Angelica Corporal, right?
Yes, po.
Yeah, for this local franchise. So you mentioned a while ago that you are a previous beauty queen, and
Yes, po.
aside from your, this is your passion, what do you think is the reason why you franchise the Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan?
Yan, pang-pageant question.
Wait, for me po kasi it's more of, I wanted to mentor somebody also because dream ko rin naman po yung maging makita sa Miss Universe stage. Pero feeling ko po talaga kasi gusto ko na lang pong tumulong, mag-guide. And of course, it's my passion po kasi I'm a previous beauty queen myself po. So parang yun na po talaga. It's more of a passion and helping another woman reach her dreams.
Follow-up question. So, aside from, you said a while ago that you're a business or entrepreneur, how will you run this local franchise for Miss Universe Bulacan? Is it with collaborating with the tourism or the government of Bulacan, or alone lang po?
Definitely, we will coordinate it with the province of Bulacan. Of course, we will be creating a tourism video, so we will be needing their help. And at the same time po, I've been in this business because I'm a former beauty queen, and I have a lot of friends po, like designers, makeup artists, passerella trainer. So, definitely gustong-gusto po talaga namin na ma-coordinate to with also the LGBT community because they are the heart of this pageantry talaga. So, we've talked to them, the LGBT Federation, and of course, the provincial, nag-heads up na din po kami. So, soon, i-collaborate namin po na lahat kasi gusto-gusto po talaga namin to see more of creative people na para makakatulong. And also with Kuya Mark, si Kuya Mark yung mentor ko po since I was joining pageantry, pasarela and Q&A trainer ko na po siya. Yes, and kay Kuya Manny po, Sir Manny Halasa, good friends po kami ni Kuya Manny. So parang sabi niya sa akin, kuhanin natin to and gawa ulit tayo ng another Chelsea na makakapunta ng Miss Universe stage and also win the Miss Universe Philippines.
Wow.
Gawin pa rin.
Thank you so much. And may one last question na lang sa ating creative director. Wow.
Thank you.
So what are your future plans for the MUPH Bulacan para mas mangibabaw ulit sa competition?
Okay. As of the moment, we're actually creating an organization. We're still building it, but we have people na targeted na, and they are all Bulacanos. What we wanted to present in the coming Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan Beauty Pageant in, I think, January, if not wrong, no? It will be showcasing Bulacan at its finest, and at the same time showcasing what Bulacan can offer. It will be like that. It will be like a cultural but modern type of pageant that we will show to the Philippines and to the universe.
Wow, we're looking forward for that. So.
Yes.
Thank you so much po.
Pau.
Hello po, this is Fountain Yamo. First and foremost, congratulations for this new partnership. But we'd like to know po, how was the process of your partnership? Was it hard or naging madali po para sa inyo? Anyone can
To be very honest, it wasn't easy because we had some hardship at the beginning. I cannot go into details, but
I will.
But basically, ganito lang yung vision namin ni Angelica. Angelica and I are always talking to one another. I'm always convincing her kasi sumali pa for a national pageant. Sabi ko, kaya ang ganda-ganda mo. Now, sabi niya, Kuya Mark, I wanted to help na lang Bulacanas to achieve their full potential as a beauty queen. I wanna work behind the camera. And sabi ko, if that's the case, if you want, you can be the local director of Miss Universe Philippines because nobody is naman currently, di ba? So I talked to Sir Jonas, and then Sir Jonas said, she's the perfect LD, and that's the reason why she's here now.
Nice. Congratulations. And we would like to know po, since nag-start na rin po tayong partnership, is it possible to have more years with you under your wing?
I guess yes, of course. I think we will be guided accordingly by MUPH executive officers, and we're looking forward for more years. I think we are in good hands with MUPH Philippines. Lalo na ang ating magandang Miss
Yes.
Wow.
Definitely.
No, actually, ang ating contract is a 3-year contract.
Ah.
So, whether you like it or not, 3-year contract ang ating kontrata with the MUPH Local Directorship Program. And if in the event na merong like, syempre meron tayong, merong mga hindi okay, along the way makikita mo kasi how they handle. If they are not okay, we can replace. If they're okay naman, so tuloy-tuloy.
So may madidethrone din pala, no?
May dethrone na
Possible. Possible. Pero it really depends on the local directorship or the local
Mga
director.
reporting din to.
How he or she handles the pageant. And the
Yes.
most important of all is yung mga candidates kasi hindi dapat pabayaan. From the start
Ano mo yan?
hanggang, alam ko ito,
Yes.
hanggang matapos.
True.
Di ba, Mama Ru?
Tama.
So, kasi si Mama Ru, dapat talaga, kung local director ka, full support. Financially, emotionally, lahat. Importante ang financial, syempre. Dapat hanggang matapos ang pageant, andyan kayo, andyan ka to support.
Yes.
Huwag mong iiwanan. Porque makikita mo, ay, she's not doing good. Parang hindi siya napapasali sa mga favorites, mga
At-
trending.
Yeah, oo.
O bakit si Chelsea? Trending ba siya? Dark horse si Chelsea.
Walang nakukuha.
Yes.
Nakatama kay
Oo, walang Ay, meron isa.
May isa.
Secret na lang.
Ay! Hindi nakakuha.
And then, marami din
Siya
na
yung
nag-eye sa kanya. There's
Programs.
some, but not really the Miss Universe.
Yeah.
Siguro top 10, mga ganun, but not
Top
really
5.
Yeah, top 5, but not really the crown. Okay?
Wala na, nasagot na yung tanong.
Yes. Thank you so much po for the
Ayan,
clarification.
kasi.
Thank you so much for the clarification kasi.
Ayun na nga, nasagot na, inis na kasi dapat kong i-question at dapat kong ilatan sa Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan. So, basic questions muna tayo. So, we have planned to have a show, Miss Universe
Yes.
Philippines Bulacan, December to January. Saan po pwede ang venue po kaya sa Bulacan? Because I have a lot of friends sa Bulacan, mga LGBT na yan. So, exciting to sa kanila kasi baka yung mga alaalaga nila ipupush for Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan. Saan po ba yung venue na iisip natin sa Bulacan?
Well, technically po kasi ginagawa yung pageant namin sa may Malolos City. So, we're still checking kung sa Malolos or somehow we could manage to coordinate with some of the communities or municipalities na baka meron silang mas malaki or somehow they could help us give a better event, yes, bigger place.
And then, ilan po
The
yung
arena.
plan na ilang candidates?
Definitely, all the municipalities and cities po, we wanted them to give us a participate po, yes.
How many municipalities?
24 po.
24.
One city, one city.
Technically, parang gusto po talaga namin one per
One,
municipalities para at least
Represented.
represented well and para at least po makakuha tayo ng yung pinili na nila talaga somehow.
And then, sabi mo kanina nga, 3 years yung contract, no? Doon ba sa 3 years na yun, kasama na ba dito yung The Miss Philippines?
May sinabi ba?
Hindi,
Edge, of course. Yes. 3-year contract.
Three-year
Pero the
contract.
Miss Philippines, di ba wala na po tayo?
Okay, ayun. So, plano tayo, wala na, The
Yes.
Miss Universe Philippines lang yung
Meron lang tayo the Miss Universe
Universe Philippines.
Philippines. And we'll be having the Filipinas Worldwide by
Mr. Filipinas
Mr.
Worldwide.
Worldwide by next
Yes.
year. But the Miss Philippines, wala.
wala na, klaro tayo. So, nililibration natin ang ating mga viewers. Oh my God, 1,000 na yung ating Last na lang po, as a beauty queen, of course, ano yung message ba or hinahanap mo sa Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan? Of course, cliche yung mga ganito, yung attitude, ganyan. Pero as a beauty queen, ikaw mismo, hindi ko pwede lumaban pala. Oo. Ano yung message mo na lang or hinahanap mo na sa isang Bulacania na isasabak natin?
Well, technically po, ang gusto ko po sana is somebody na yung not rehearse, yung technically parang naturally na papasok ka sa stage, hindi ka like praktisado kasi mas mahirap kasing i-present yung sarili mo kung you're following the routine. So, mas maganda who could also share her stories, yung advocacies niya. Kasi importante yung may pinanghuhugutan ka, where you're coming from at kung ano yung dadalhin mo sa Miss Universe. It doesn't need na parang kailangan perfect Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan, but someone who could represent Bulacan province well, okay na po ako doon.
Gusto mo yun, sinabi mo, gusto nakita girl, yung hindi reverse. Oo, hindi tayo in-choose ni girl, di ba?
On the spot.
Ano na tayo naman kasi sa kandidat at pag-reverse lahat.
Yes po.
Ng galaw.
Lahat yun.
Mararamdaman.
Oo, lalo yung Q&A, alam yun eh. Thank you so much and good luck.
Yes, po.
And sana ma-invite din tayo sa Miss Universe Philippines
Definitely.
Bulacan.
Ah!
Over pa tayo.
May laban. Yes!
Sa para sa MU page Bulacan. Ana.
Hi.
Controversial.
I would like to
we're live on my page right now. They have my followers have a few questions. Can I start with Miss Angelica? There's a question here. Can you refresh our memories in terms of which pageant did you join before?
Actually po, nag-start po ko with Miss Bukawi, Binibining Bukawi po, and I landed po yung I landed po yung Binibining Turismo, which is, ako po yung representative for Harriet Reyna ng Singkaban, which is the official pageant po of Harriet Reyna ng Bulacan actually. So, yun po, ako yung Reyna ng Singkaban Turismo 2018, and after that, nagpahinga po ako, then nag-ano lang po ako ng Miss Silka Philippines po ako. It started po with Bulacan. Ako po yung nanalo sa Miss Silka Bulacan. Then, I represented Bulacan in Miss Silka Philippines and landed as Miss Silka Philippines first runner-up. And by that po, hindi na po ako sumali after. Hindi nga po.
True. Wag na dapat show, mag-pageant. Ano na lang, appoint na lang.
Okay, my next question will be, pag ganito po ba, since meron ng AP for Bulacan, so local director for Bulacan, ibig pong sabihin lahat po ng gastusin pangangailangan po ng contestant for the pageant sa po ninyo?
Technically, definitely po, itatry po namin yung best namin na sagutin po lahat, magkahanap po, nasa sa amin po yung initiative to find help for our candidate, to ask for sponsorship and all. Sasali na lang po siya, yun na lang po siguro yung ano namin. Sasali na lang po siya, then we will help her throughout her journey.
Kasi yung context ng question ko was, di ba, if you read Chelsea's interview post
Yes,
and yung coronation, there was a time na... Oh, yan. So, on a similar note, there's another question here. So, kay Mama, I think this is a question for Mama Ru. So, next year po ba, meron nagtanong dito, meron pa rin po bang the Miss Philippines?
Nakasagot lang actually. Yung franchise namin actually is for Miss Universe Philippines. But yung winners for Miss Supranational and Miss Cosmo, Miss Chara, yung ibang
Miss Aura.
Miss Aura International are awarded doon sa mga sa finals ng Miss Universe Philippines.
Right after the pageant.
So, walang pageant talaga.
Wala nang The Miss Philippines.
Wala nang pageant.
Wala na. Wala.
Okay, thank you very much po.
Thank you! Thank you po.
Guys, may trivia lang, no? Ang The Miss Philippines natin is from Bulacan.
Yes!
Rosho, and our Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide Manhunt International
Yes!
from the Bulacan.
Yes!
Ano bang tubig sa Bulacan?
Ayun. So we're very proud and we're very excited.
Miss Angelica, congratulations. After this contract signing, ano na yung mga schedules niya? Like when will you release the general guidelines, etc.?
We will plan it pa po. At please give us at least a month to prepare everything. Kasi gusto po namin pagka once na in-announce na po namin, lahat po kompleto na and magra-run through na lang. So at least a month po, bigyan niyo po kami. Then we will give you all the details po regarding the said pageant po.
Ayan. For Direct Mark, ano yung magiging plans mo when it comes to how you run the pageant? Meaning, ayun, sabi nga ni Miss Angelica kanina, gusto niya per town is represented, parang gano'n. Ano pa yung mga gusto mong i-pass?
Actually, I will not be the director. I will be the creative director of the pageant. But the plans actually ganito eh. We are working now with the LGBT Bulacan Federation, who are represented by my by my peers there. Kasi gusto namin may collaboration. And then, we are also working with the Bulacan Tourism Group. Our plan, definitely, hindi pa siya clear as of the moment, but after this, we will have a meeting most probably, Angelica, by next week, no? So that we can conceptualize everything, what we wanted to present to all of you. Because we wanted to emulate what the Miss Universe Philippines have presented to us in the last Miss Universe Philippines competition. Ang ganda ng stage, ang ganda ng production, and then at the same time, the girls are given ample amount of time to show who they really are, right? So, we wanted to have that kind of show, if not more than that.
Good luck po. To Miss Max, pang ilan na po to at saka how many franchises are we still expecting?
Actually, remember 53 last year?
Yes.
I am not so familiar as to how many na, Mamaru? More or less?
60.
But this is going to be more. This is really bigger and better.
Would it be more than 100? Including the Pincom?
We will make sure na baka hindi na natin kayanin ang 100.
Paano kapag pumili?
No.
Nagpipilit?
Yes.
Pag nagpipilit,
Okay naman sa tingin nyo,
Yes.
yung mga tao behind that.
Nahihirapan
Yes.
mo talaga ako eh. No, actually, we have a target.
May ceiling ba kayo, Miss Max? May parang 80 lang tayo or 70 lang tayo?
Yeah. We have a target. Pero, as what we can see now, parang more pa, no? Parang ang daming gusto mag-join. Remember, last year, we don't have Paranaque. We don't have Pasay. We don't have Misamis Oriental.
Meron na
We
ngayon.
don't have Muntinlupa. Mandaluyong. But all of this...
Tarlac pa yata, wala
Oh my
yan.
God, so
Meron pang
Meron na ngayon, Tarlac,
meron
diba?
pang Kalibo.
Ayun.
Oo, dagdag. So,
At minsan may last minute pa, di ba?
Oo.
Last year.
Oo, so that's why we're really having a very hard time, but it's a very good problem.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Yes.
much. So much, Universe.
It's a very good problem.
Ayun. Congratulations po.
Ito talaga ang smart.
Yes.
Hello po, Jonathan from the Council.
Laki-laki ah. Asa? Baka ba?
Siguro question lang, you mentioned that they're tapping the LGBTQIA community.
Yes.
Are you open to them joining the pageant?
Actually,
Or you want to focus into the biologically born?
well, as long as Miss Universe organization approves for it, then we'll take it into consideration. Pero as of now po kasi, I think Miss Universe organization is not allowing pa po yung I don't know na
As long as,
well, I think it's
Kasi sa Philippines, unfortunately, wala pang rule or wala pang batas na nag-legitimize ng mga transgenders na nagpapalit from male to female. So, wala pang gano'n.
yes, kasi yung passport yung mahalaga doon.
Yes.
So kapag yung mga government documents mo is female na, so pwede tayo mag-enter.
I think that's a requirement for Miss Universe.
For Miss
Yes.
Universe.
So we need to follow it.
Okay, pahabol na question lang for Miss Angelica.
Okay, Miss Angelica.
May G.
Okay, Miss Angelica, ano yung magiging distinctive feature ng Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan from the other franchise ng MBPH sa Pilipinas?
What sets you apart?
What's that
Distinctive feature naman.
Iba naman.
Parang
Iba naman. Kasi set apart, ano na, gasgas
Kay MC yun eh.
Kay MC na.
siguro po kasi I'm younger local director and at the same time a former beauty queen. So I'll be more hands-on with maybe all of her events. Kasi minsan, hindi ko po sure kung lahat po ng local directors are present sa lahat ng events ng kanilang representative. But we'll make sure that I'll be there to support her and to guide her as long as parang kaya naman po ng oras.
Thank you.
Hello, good morning to Miss Mar.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon! Ayan, nakagising lang ha.
Wait lang.
Awon? Dalit.
Good afternoon, Anton.
Dalit Anton.
Ayun po, compare nung last year sa Filipino community natin na franchise, nadagdagan ba ngayon or?
In fact, yung overseas.
Parang dami.
That's a very good question. Nawala.
It's a very good question daw.
Parang nawala yung
Like the late.
Dalit.
Dalit.
Oo.
Ay, ilit
Hindi, baka wala nang
Wala nang battery ata.
Pare sa bahay?
Go na.
Wala din sir.
Baka na ano,
saksak.
Pakisaksakan.
Yung ano niya.
Can we call, can somebody call
Ayan, Anton, sabotage.
Inaayos na po, inaayos na po.
Kasi baka lang marinig ng maayos.
Oo, Anton. Yung...
Ichika ni Anton. Ay, Miss Mars.
Yeah, so sagutin ko na lang kahit wala.
Malakas naman.
Oo, malakas naman.
Oo.
I think nag-add tayo ng more than 25 to 30%
Wow.
ng mga local directors, overseas, global directors. Marami.
Oh my God.
Oo, that's what I'm afraid of kasi paano iyan?
Pinupuntahan mo ba ito, Miss Mars? Hindi naman.
In fact, they're inviting us. They're inviting us, kami ni Mama Ru, and everyone who's in charge, they're inviting us. But we'll see kung kaya pa natin. Kasi dito pa lang sa local, that's why makikita mo, ay, iba yung nag-judge doon. Iba yung, we make it a point na we're well represented. So, lahat ng mga Miss Universe Philippines officers pumupunta sa lahat ng mga local directors.
Sobrang busy ng
Sa
ibang baro.
iba-ibang lugar.
True.
Kung kaya ni Mama Ru lahat, go. Oo, so naghahati-hati kami. And we help each other. And the relationship and the working relationship ng global at the national, talagang napakaganda. With the press people as well. Hindi ka nag-ay.
Pinapahabol na question si Ana. Of course, the Miss Kosovo is under Miss Universe Philippines Organization.
Yes.
And of course, as one of the executives sa Miss Universe, any message po sa ating Aliza Manalo? First, kay Mama Ru. Ano bang balita na?
She's doing good as well. She's doing well sa Vietnam, di ba? And some of us will go there sa October 1, I think. Tapos diretso na sa another pageant, male pageant naman sa Mr. Global. So, tapusin mo na ito nga. Kami ni Miss Mags, ewan ko lang kasi Miss Mags kung makakarating pa siya sa mga international pageants. Pero ako, I'm staying na muna.
Staying sa Philippines.
Staying mo na.
Okay.
Kasi si Mama Ru, of course, talagang ano siya with Miss Universe. Ganun din naman ako, but I also have my businesses, so hati talaga yung oras. But I prioritize Miss Universe.
Ano bang of course, as a beauty queen, it's yourself, ma'am. Ano bang pwede natin i-hashtag? Actually, question na lang na, di ba? Anong pwede i-hashtag natin sa Miss Universe Philippines? Bulacan.
Hashtag.
May kanta na yata sila kasi.
May kanta
May kanta na sila. Di ba nasa
Bulakenya. La Bulakenya. Kanya, iba yun?
Ay, Miss Universe, ano yun? Philippines?
Orange and lemon.
Orange and lemons po yung ano. Pero hindi ko siya totally like
For
yung
Bulacan.
for Bulacan.
Yes, it's for the, Chelsea.
Oo.
Yes.
Upper
Miss
Chelsea.
Universe Philippines.
Kasama ba dun sa franchise yung Mr. Pilipinas World?
I'm not sure.
I'm sorry?
Kasama
Kung
ang
kasama
franchise
din,
sila sa Mr.
package
Pilipinas.
na yun.
Package na yun.
Oh yes, in part of their
Contract.
So yung Mr. Pilipinas worldwide,
Kayo din ang magpapadalang for Bulacan.
Pero that's an option,
Okay,
ha? That's
option.
an option. If the local director will not send, it's okay. If they will,
Parang si Sir Mark ang ano.
if they will mount a pageant, pwede rin.
Oo.
So, it's an option.
So yung Mr. Filipinos Worldwide, okay pa siya?
Meron
Meron pa.
Meron. Meron yung
Meron
Demis
siya.
Philippines ang nawala.
Ayun. At least klaro.
Inclusion yan sa
Contracts.
contract nila. Pero again, it's an option for you,
Depende.
for the local director, kung magpapadala or hindi.
Parang si Miss Angelica ang Miss Universe, tapos si Sir Mark ang...
Yes!
Mr. Pilipinas.
Pwede. Hindi ko convince ko.
Why not? Diba?
Last question, Miss Max.
Why should you be?
Why should you be? Last year kasi, nung time ni Miss Shamsi, umiikot siya. Siya yung part of the judging panel. We will be doing that sa mga may competition na franchises.
We've been doing that,
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah.
But this time, I want naman the other Miss Universe Philippines officers to also take part. Hindi lang ako
Busy
ako
kasi
ang
po.
judge. No, lahat binibigyan natin ng chance to judge naman. And to experience yung na-experience namin na privilege. Kasi when we go to different parts of the Philippines or around the world, talaga nakakatuwa ang pagtanggap nila sa Miss Universe Philippines, ibang klase. That's why this coming September 27, we'll be having the MUPH Iligan. So ang magja-judge ako at saka si Paolo Arevalo, the head ng digital team ng Miss Universe. And 28, si Mami J, si Jonas Gaffood will judge sa MUPH Bacoor with Chelsea. With Chelsea. So, kasi we cannot be at the same time. Siyempre, iisa lang ako or iisa lang si Mama Ru. I cannot be at the same time in one place lang. So, hinati-hati natin. At saka hihimatay na si Dami. Tapos meron pang contract signing,
Yes.
di ba? So, hindi kaya. So, hati-hati. And it's good din na mabigyan din ng chance. At makilala ng mga tao sino who's behind Miss Universe.
Oo nga.
Any message na lang po sa ating...
Sa lahat na lang.
Sa lahat.
One final word
One final word.
from Angelica.
Yes, and of course, message na rin ni Mama Ru at Miss Max sa ating Miss Universe Philippines.
Bulacan.
First and foremost, thank you so much po for coming, for the press people, Miss Max, Mama Ru, Kuya Mark, and the LGBT communities organization po na nandito. Thank you so much po for coming. And to my friends, thank you so much po for being with us, with Chelsea, and sana po supportahan po ninyo si Chelsea as she goes through Miss Universe stage po. And sana po supportahan po ninyo kami ulit as we have this pageant sa Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan po. We'll give you the details po right after we plan it po. And salamat po sa pagtanggap po sa akin bilang local director. And I'm very much honored to be part of the Miss Universe organization. Thank you so much.
Ang social media na po ba?
Yes po, Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan po.
Wala kang Instagram.
IG wala pa po, but the Facebook po okay na po. Yes po, thank you so much po. Thank you.
To follow.
Yay! Again, welcome to the family of Miss Universe Philippines. Mark and Angelica, of course. Thank you for coming sa lahat kayo. Welcome to Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan, to the contract signing and launching press conference of Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan. Hopefully, Angelica and Mark, you will not be as wala yan. Hindi nyo pababayaan yung magiging winner ng Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan. Yun lang.
Miss Max.
May ano ka talaga, Mama. So, on behalf of Mr. Jonas Gaffo, the owner and the president of Miss Universe Philippines, I would like to welcome Angelica Corporal as the local director of the Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan, and rest assured that we are all here to support And lahat ng pwede nating ibigay na tulong, we will do that. And we have GC kasi, lahat ng local directors. So all your questions, your inquiries, and your plans, you just place it there, and we will answer that as soon as possible. And thank you for the warm welcome din ng ating mga press kay Miss
Yes!
Pag ganito yung ambience, di ba ang saya? Oo, good vibes lang at nakaka-encourage, di ba?
Yes.
So thank you sa press, sa ating mga press people. Thank you very much for all your support, and sana hanggang sa simula, hanggang dulo, makakasama tayong lahat.
Mula.
Yes! Magandang hapon po kanino. Ay, biglang naging Bisaya.
Iboto! Iboto sa kagayan ni
Good afternoon, everyone.
Nasabi na naman ni Angelica, but one thing that we want to assure all of you, lalo na ang ating nagagandahang press people, once you witness the MUPH Bulacan competition on January, may tagline kami sa Bulacan na Bulacan, babalik-balik.
Ayun.
my God!
Yes! Bulacan!
Babalik-balikan!
So, babalik daw kayo.
Alam mo yan?
So,
Ay, magandang
congratulations
hashtag.
sa signing.
Of course.
Signing of contract. So, wala na itong bawian, ha?
Teka lang. Ay, ba? Okay, ready?
Ay pa.
Ay, bakit?
Iba.
Ano lang sila? Ano na yung ano lang?
Ayan ko. Ayan, oo. Ito sign.
MMing sign.
Oo.
Hindi ko maano.
Sabay shake hands.
Ang nail.
Tapos tingin dito.
Later na.
Later na, Tito. Ano yan?
Marami.
Kumbaga,
Ano siya? Tawag doon, stolen shots muna tayo.
Carry boom.
Para hindi...
Ano? Kasi na yun. Para may keme. Tingin naman dito po.
Director, Mama J, Jonas Gapon. Meron din tayong bagong local director.
Oo.
Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan.
Woo! Tapos,
Photo.
hindi, pagkatapos.
Tama. Tama.
Ang bata, no? Siya atang pinakabata.
I guess.
One of the young.
One of the young.
Meron pa yan.
Because Negros Occidental. Very young din. 20 something.
Oh,
Oo. Parang younger yata yun.
talaga.
talaga.
Diba?
Ayaw mo ba?
Ano question
Diba?
mo naman yung
Ano hindi ko naniniwala?
May last question.
Di ba, Mi, ikaw yung handler ng Mr. Pilipinas World Cup sa Bulacan?
Jordan.
Okay, Jordan.
Hindi ko siya maalala.
Nalala ko na. Nalala ko siya.
Oo.
Of course, but-
Eh, ano ang tawag dito? Kay Bianca.
Bianca
Marcelo.
Oo,
Bianca
kay Bianca.
Marcelo.
Yes.
Siya rin yun eh. Ikaw rin yun, di ba?
Friendship po sila Benji, gano'n.
Yes.
Ayun.
Si Kuya Ben.
Hindi ba magbabalik
And
ano?
Eloy as well.
Kumusta si
Talaga
Bianca?
may ka talaga to handle the MUPH.
Sir, kumusta si Bianca?
Oh,
Kumusta si Bianca?
okay naman. Hindi may business.
Ah, iba.
Abroad na lang.
Business woman na sila.
Hindi na magbabalik.
Fairness. Hindi na papariwara. Yes.
Nasa tamang ano.
So, nasa tamang daan. Dahil
Tamang
dyan.
ano.
Ilang bagsak.
Maganda yung shot ni Sir Mars. Papa Beauty ka.
Oo. Kasi meron ako sa studio.
Oo.
Wow.
Ay, bongga.
Punta natin.
Well, wait, nasa finals, no? Hindi.
Finals lang.
Busy ako.
Press call.
Busy ako sa mga point.
Idol. Idol ko to.
Idol ko to.
Namimitas pa ng ano.
Ito ang idol natin.
May idol.
Our idol.
Mamaya sa ano sa location. Chika kayo ng chika sa atin. Tayo na.
Go.
Si Carl.
Konti lang tayo. Konti lang tayo. Laban na.
Sabay tayo ng isa. Sa'yo mo kaya muna. Asan ba yung passport?
Change out.
Ikaw na lang muna sa'yo. Pwede kayo sa'yo, parang hindi mo siya
Hindi, okay, gusto ko talaga ilalagay mo talaga sa akin.
Kasi pasabay na lang ako. Ilagay mo na lang.
Ayan, picture.
Picture lang po tayo.
Dito ba tayo?
Yan, tingin.
Sa official muna.
Mamaya yung coaching mo dito na lang.
Then look at the camera. Sa Bulacan News. 3, 2, 1, smiling. One more. 3, 2, 1,
Bulacan
smiling.
Tribune.
Yeah.
Bulacan Tribune.
Here.
Here naman sa amin.
Ayun naman daw.
Dito naman.
Sa gitna.
Center po.
Center muna.
Center po. Okay.
Dito po sa side na yan. Sige pa.
Here, right po.
Wala ba sila yung parang ano yung... Yan!
Ayan, yung mga ganyan.
Yan. That's it. That's more like it.
Baka ma-zoom nila.
Sige pag yung sige, ano, okay.
Baka ma-zoom.
Okay.
Wala na bang ano eh. So,
Here, right po.
Okay.
Correct.
1, 2.
On the side po.
Here,
Here.
right.
Center. Center po.
Center po.
Center.
Center muna. Ito po, 1, 2.
Here po sa akin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Okay.
Shake hands. Shake hands.
Shake hands po.
Shake hands po. Shake hands.
Instagram account ninyo, yung sa yung luma.
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Kaya ni-record ko.
Shake hands.
Ayan, sige po. Occasion muna po.
Okay.
Ayan kami naman.
Okay po, center po muna. Center po.
Dito po.
Number right.
Dito sa naka-red.
Video lang po.
Ayan, sige for video. Ni Mark. Ayan, for video, yan.
For video purposes, shake hands.
Great photo.
One more.
Ayan, wait lang
Smile,
ha.
smile.
Ah, ganyan.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay na po.
So, lahat ng mga dokumentong ito ay ipapanotaryo.
Final photo na ganyan.
Yung ano lang, closer. Ano daw po, final photo yung closer. Closer ah.
Ay, wait.
Off na pa namin.
Finish na namin.
Finish